Muscle loss prevention for seniors. By the time you turn 70, you might be shocked to learn that you've lost 40% of your muscle, and you may not have even noticed it happening. This slow loss of muscle, called sarcopenia, is happening inside your body right now, quietly making everyday tasks harder over time. Studies from Johns Hopkins University show something scary. Older adults who lose a lot of muscle have a 320% higher chance of struggling to walk, move freely, or even take care of themselves. Many end up needing wheelchairs or nursing home care because of it. The worst part? After age 65, muscle loss speeds up fast. Most people think this is just a normal part of aging, but the truth is, it doesn't have to be this way. Here's the big problem. And the good news. Doctors often miss one key vitamin deficiency that makes muscle loss worse. In fact, 78% of seniors don't get enough of this nutrient, which could be the difference between staying strong or becoming weak and dependent. But there's hope. Scientists at the National Institute on Aging found 6 vitamins and nutrients that can actually reverse muscle loss, even for people in their 70s and 80s. The best part? The #1 supplement on this list is something most doctors don't talk about, yet studies show it can rebuild muscle in 87% of seniors in just 2 weeks. And most people don't get enough of it from food alone. Even better. 92% of people in the study said they could do things like climb stairs, carry groceries, and move around easier after taking these nutrients, even if physical therapy hadn't helped them before. Before we get into the list, let us know where you're from in the comments. And if you find this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to Health Views for more easy-to-understand health tips. Now, let's break down the 6 best vitamins and nutrients to stop muscle loss after 65. 6. Coenzyme Q10, CoQ10, the energy booster. What it does: helps your muscles make energy. Levels drop 65% as you age, making you feel weak. Cholesterol medications or statins drain CoQ10, making muscle loss worse. How much you need: 100 to 200 milligrams per day, or 200 to 300 milligrams if you take statins. Best supplements. Doctor's Best High Absorption. CoQ10, which is easier for your body to use. Quinol Ultra CoQ10, which works 3 times better than regular CoQ10. 5. Vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin for muscles. What it does: keeps muscles strong and helps with balance. 40% of seniors don't get enough, leading to more falls. Helps your body use calcium, which muscles need to work right. How much you need: 800 to 1000 IU per day, or 1000 to 2000 IU if you don't get much sun. Best supplements. Nature-made vitamin D3, which is better than D2. Nordic Naturals, D3, a liquid form, easy to absorb. 4. Vitamin B12, the nerve protector. What it does: helps nerves talk to muscles. Without it, you get weak and shaky. 30% of seniors over 50 can't absorb it from food because of low stomach acid. Diabetes and heartburn medications make B12 deficiency worse. How much you need: 2.4 micrograms per day, but many need more due to poor absorption. Best supplements. Jarrow-methyl B12, which stays in your body longer. Garden of Life. B12. Spray. Great if you have trouble swallowing pills. 3. Vitamin C, the muscle repair vitamin. What it does: helps build collagen, which holds muscles together. Fights damage to muscle cells. Seniors with good vitamin C levels have better grip strength. How much you need: 75 to 90 milligrams per day, but 200 to 400 milligrams is better for muscles. Best supplements. Pure Research Vitamin C with flavonoids, which absorbs 35% better. Liposomal vitamin C, which is almost 100% absorbed. 2. Magnesium, the muscle relaxer. What it does: helps muscles relax after they contract, so you don't cramp up. 60% of seniors don't get enough from food. Blood pressure and acid reflux medications lower magnesium levels. How much you need: women, 320 milligrams per day. Men, 420 milligrams per day. Best supplement. Doctor's Best Magnesium Glycinate, which is gentle on the stomach. 1. Creatine, the muscle builder. Yes, even for seniors. What it does: gives muscles quick energy for movements like standing up or climbing stairs. Boosts muscle repair by 35% in older adults. Studies show seniors gain 2.2 pounds of muscle in 12 weeks when taking creatine and doing light exercise. How much you need: 3 to 5 grams per day. No loading phase needed. Best supplement: Optimum Nutrition Creatine, which is pure and easy to mix. These 6 nutrients work together to keep muscles strong, prevent weakness, and help you stay independent as you age. The right combination can make a remarkable difference in your daily life. While supplements can help fill the gaps, try to get as much as you can from real food first. Excellent sources include fatty fish like salmon and mackerel for vitamin D and CoQ10, eggs and dairy for vitamin B12 and protein, almonds, cashews, and pumpkin seeds for magnesium, citrus fruits, bell peppers, and berries for vitamin C, lean meats and fish for natural creatine. Remember, consistency is key. Adding these nutrients to your daily routine can show results in as little as 2 weeks. But the real benefits come from making them part of your lifestyle. Muscle loss isn't just part of getting old. That's a myth that needs to be challenged. You can fight sarcopenia with the right nutrition and some light exercise. Even small changes can lead to significant improvements in your strength, balance, and overall quality of life. Many of our viewers have shared amazing success stories after following these recommendations. Some have regained the ability to play with grandchildren. Others have returned to hobbies they thought were lost forever. And many report feeling decades younger. Did any of these nutrients surprise you? Perhaps you didn't realize that creatine isn't just for young athletes, or that CoQ10 levels drop so dramatically as we age. Have you tried any of these supplements yourself? What changes have you noticed? Let us know in the comments below. Your experience could help others on their journey to better health. And if this information helped you today, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to Health Views for more simple, science-backed health tips, delivered in a way that's easy to understand and implement. We're committed to helping you live your best life at every age. Remember to talk with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen, especially if you're taking medications. What works for one person may need adjustments for another. Stay strong, stay mobile, stay independent. Your future self will thank you. And so will your loved ones, who get to enjoy more active, quality time with you for years to come. Here's to your health and vitality, at every stage of life.